They laughed at him because he had nothing. But then, something terrible happened. He didn't think. He just acted. And suddenly, no one was laughing anymore. Because true heroes don't need anything to be great.